Disassembling a server product solution pump. First, compress the pump and untwist the locking collar. Remove the plunger assembly from the cylinder. Remove the lid. Remove the spring from the piston. You could remove the seal from the bottom of the piston. For this demonstration, I will leave it on. Unscrew the discharge housing from the piston. Notice that there will be a ball valve that will fall out of the housing. Remove the knob from the top of the discharge body. Remove the discharge fitting from the end of the discharge tube. Remove the locking collar from the piston. Remove the connector from the bottom of the cylinder with a twisting motion to release. Notice there'll be a ball valve at the bottom of the connector. You take it out. A fully disassembled server product solution pump.